morning, students. Today I am going to show you simple microscope and compound microscope. Both these microscopes are light microscope. Light microscope means the source of illumination is light. There is another type of microscope called electron microscope that the source of illumination is beam of electrons. In simple microscope, we can magnify the object. The magnification is up to 10 times, 20 times, 15 times, whereas in case of compound microscope, it can be 100 times, it can be 450 times, it can be 1000 times, whereas in case of electron microscope, the magnification is 3 lakhs, 2 lakhs. Okay. So in case of simple microscope, we can see only the outline of the cell, we can see a nucleus, we can see the parts like that, the vacuole is there. But in case of compound microscope, we can see the other organelles present in the cell. We can see the chromosome inside the cell in high power, that is in 100 magnification. That is 100 magnification of the objective and 10 magnification of the 10x of the ocular lens. Then the magnification comes to be 1000. So in that case, the 1000 magnification, we can see the chromosome in under microscope, that is compound microscope. But in simple microscope, we cannot see that. In electron microscope, we can see the structures, that means the organelles, what is present inside the organelles. That means the mitochondria, what is present inside the mitochondria, the chloroplast, grana is present, thylakoid is present. These all can be seen under electron microscope. So today we will study light microscope, that is simple microscope and compound microscope. In simple microscope, one lens. In compound microscope, two lenses. Now you can see simple microscope, it magnifies the object only once. Now the different parts of this simple microscope. First, the base, metallic foot which supports the other parts of the microscope. Then the stand is there. This is the stand. The stand, it is a vertical cylindrical body attached to the base at its lower end and bears the stage. This is the stage. Adjustment screw, this is the adjustment screw, and the vertical limb is there. Then the vertical limb, this is the vertical limb. This is the vertical limb. I can show you the vertical limb. It is short cylindrical rod. You can see this is the vertical limb. Can be moved up and down by adjustment screw. This is the adjustment screw. Then the folded arm is here. Its free end is in the form of a ring. You can see the ring over here, ring, which holds the lens like this. The arm can be moved sideways, up and down with the help of this adjustment screw for focusing the object. Then the stage is there. This is the stage. You can see glass, transparent. The object of or the slide to be seen under the microscope is placed on the slide. So you can see I have taken one slide. This is the slide, cover slip is there and the object is placed here. Then I have to keep this object on this stage and then I have to attach these clips and then I have to see this by folding this arm and adjustment screw. I have to see that where I get the best image of the object that I will see. And this is the mirror which helps to reflect the light like this. Okay. This is about simple microscope. It magnifies the object only once. Here in this eyepiece, it is only 10x. That means the magnification is 10 times. Okay. Now I am going to discuss about compound microscope. This is a compound microscope. You can see this is a compound microscope. It has two lenses. One is the ocular lens or the eyepiece lens and one is the objective lens. Now the different parts of this compound microscope. This is a light microscope, magnification twice. Now foot supports the body of the microscope. This is the foot of the microscope which supports the body and there is a pillar, small vertical portion from the base. Then arm used for handling the instrument. You can see the handling, how I am handling. I can hold it like this or I can fold it like this. If I want to sit and I have to see the object, then I can fold it like this and I can see the object. Then the stage, platform having a circular hole. Here is one hole in the middle through which light from the mirror, this is the mirror, below is focused on the slide. If I keep the slide on this stage, then I have to see first adjusting the mirror, then the light will pass to the object, it will enter into the objective lens, then it will go through the draw tube, then eyepiece lens, and then image is formed in the retina. Now diaphragm regulates the amount of light entering into the microscope. There is one diaphragm here. There is one diaphragm here which we can adjust like this, how much light will enter into the object through this hole in the stage. Then body tube carries two lenses. This is the body tube. This objective lens and the eyepiece. This is the objective lens. This is the eyepiece. Then the nose piece is there. This is the nose piece which holds the objective lens. There is two adjustment screw. One is called coarse adjustment. One is called fine adjustment. Coarse adjustment moves the body tube up and down for focusing. See how I am moving it. See, it is moved up and down with the help of this coarse adjustment. And there is another fine adjustment for fine and sharp focusing. This is the fine adjustment. This is the fine adjustment. Then the mirror is there. It is used for reflecting light rays into the specimen. Then objective lens, usually two objective lenses are there provided with 10x, that is the low power, 45x, that is the high power. But here I have taken three objective lenses. One is 10x, one is 45x, and one is 100x. 100x, that means if this is 10x, you can see my ocular lens is of 10x, this is of 10x. So 10x and 100x, that means the magnification is 1000 times. So for seeing the different stages of mitosis during cell division or meiosis, I usually use this 100 magnification. 100 magnification for objective lens, that is 100x objective lens and 10x ocular lens. Then ocular lens, it is fitted at the top of the body tube through which magnified image of the object is seen. This is the ocular lens, or it is also called eyepiece lens, as because this is the eyepiece. There is one pointer over here. We use this pointer by focusing a specific chromosome, showing specific chromosome in this stage for identification. So in compound microscope there are two lenses. In simple microscope only one lens is there. Here 2 times magnification, here 1 time magnification. Then in case of compound microscope, 2 lenses are there, that is objective and the ocular, whereas here only one lens is there. Okay, thank you.